Whoa, 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 yeah, we are in the place of yeah, 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 yeah.
Hey guys, we're back today with this cute little look. It was kind of carnival inspired, but I know it's not exactly creative enough to be carnival in my eyes. But we're going to go ahead and get started. I'm using the Colored Rain Queen of Hearts palette. And I'm starting out with this pretty burnt orange color in the crease. And now using the same palette, I'm taking this brown color and putting that lower in the crease. And now moving on to the Urban Decay Electric palette, and I'm putting this blue in my outer V. And I really had to pack this color on. I really don't love this Urban Decay Electric palette. I kind of feel like the color disappears. For some reason, I don't know, I can't explain it. And now I'm taking that pink, popping that on the lid. Guys, I really just didn't know what look I wanted to create. I just sat down and was like, I'm gonna figure it out as I'm going on. So that's how this came about. And now I'm using the NYX glitter glue. And I'm just applying that. And now I'm using this really chunky, and when I say chunky, I do mean chunky. This chunky pink craft glitter that I bought. Now I do have regular, glitter that's actually made for makeup and stuff like that, so it doesn't harm your eyes, but I just felt like the craft glitter was, more pretty, and it just was, I liked how, I don't know, I just liked it and I did it and I went for it. And it came out pretty good. It was a bitch getting it off though, I ain't gonna lie about that. Like, it's everywhere. It's really everywhere. But yeah, so I used craft glitter, so they were really chunky. And now I'm applying some more of the glitter glue, and I'm gonna go in with this light blue glitter. It's just like that big glitter be popping. The little glitter cute too. I use both, but this time I wanted to use the big glitter. You gotta be so careful not to get that in your eyes though. Now I'm just reapplying a little bit more so I can put a little bit more of that light blue on. And now I'm using my NYX matte liquid liner. And I also think it's easier to put your liquid liner on first, but like I said, I really didn't know what I was doing. Like, I didn't know where I was going with the look, so I ended up putting it on after. And it came out fine, but I think it's easier to put the eyeliner on before you start to glitter. You see, I had to go over it a couple times. And now I'm using the NYX, I think it's Vivid White, but it's also a liquid liner that's matte. And I just pop that over my crease just for a decorative effect. Now I'm using my Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the color 355. And now I'm going in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer. And I believe this color is Almond. I think so. I'll link it in the bottom. And I'm just going in with a smaller brush and just blending that concealer out a little bit. And now I'm using a liner brush to get my eyeliner really straight and cute, you know. So that wing is, you know, sharp, ready to cut your ass. And now I'm going in with my Sacha Buttercup powder. And I'm applying it under my eyes and in my T-zone. I'm just gonna bake a little bit. And now I'm carving out my chin with the Sacha Buttercup. And I'm gonna go back in with contour color. I'm contouring with Anastasia Beverly Hills. I think it's light to medium. Yes, light to medium palette. And I'll also link that below. Getting that double chin, you know. And I'm just carving out my nose a little bit with the same color. Blending out that Sacha Buttercup. And now I'm taking this pretty color from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Aurora palette. Popping that silvery color in the corner. And now I'm going back into the Urban Decay Electric palette and I'm putting that pink that I used on my upper lid at the bottom. Now I just sprayed my face with the Mario Badescu Rose Water Spray. And I'm putting my favorite highlighter, my Jackie Aina LeBron's highlight from Artist Couture, on the tops of my cheekbones so they can pop out. Highlighting the forehead and a little bit down the nose, popping it on the brow bone and on my Cupid's bow. Now I'm taking this pencil from Urban Decay. It's like a 24/7 something. I don't know. Like I said, everything will be linked in the description box. And now I'm taking my MAC Top with Brandy. It's one of their retro matte colors. And I put that on and then I darkened my moles. And that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this look. Please like, share, and subscribe.